Hello and welcome to the judging session for DesignTank 2021, a joint event between Design for America and Case Western Reserve University's Entrepreneurship Club. My name is Harry Grubman. I'm the executive director of our Entrepreneurship Club, and we have Sunaina with us today.
Like Harry said, my name is Sunaina, and I'm the communications director for our Entrepreneurship Club. And today, for our judging panel, we have with us Dan Cuffaro from the Cleveland Institute of Art. And we also have Earl Pike and Jeanette Pardon from University Settlement, the executive director and the finance director, respectively.
All right, now we'll have the judges introduce themselves.
So I'm Dan Cuffaro. I am the chair of industrial design at the Cleveland Institute of Art and a professor in industrial design. I'm also a practicing industrial designer, but my practice goes beyond just the design of hardware. I've worked with the design of organizations, spaces, economic development initiatives, and things like that.
So I'm Earl Pike. I'm the executive director of University Settlement. University Settlement has been in the Slavic village community for 96 years. We're the main social service provider in the community, providing services for about 12,000 of the 22,000 residents every year.
Okay, so my name is Jalene Pardon. I am the finance director here at University Settlement. I've been here for since 2016. I started out as a finance manager and kind of worked my way up. My background is all nonprofit accounting. I've been doing this since, I don't know, 1999 maybe. So I'm proud to say that with a few degrees behind my belt. But I love working for nonprofits only because there is a bottom line that's not money. I love the fact that the bottom line is about the client, about the client's needs, about the community, and making sure that they have everything they need to be sustainable and successful in life. And that is just something that I was raised with, you know, about making sure that everybody that has what they need. So that is pretty much my spiel. I come from a family of my parents did that my entire life. My mother made jars of jelly, and my sisters and I passed them out in the community, and my father would fix anybody's car and it didn't charge him anything. So that's where I get that, you know, effort from. So I take that with me at every job that I go to. So it's not just about the community, it's about the staff, and it's about making sure that everybody has everything they need to be successful in every single project. So.